Hey, what's up buddies, welcome to Psychology. Today I'm gonna talk about 10 feminine attitudes that make men fall in love. So watch this video till the end. Let's get started. But before we start this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Number 1, have a sense of humor. Laugh at life, at problems, but above all at yourself. That's irresistible. It shows that you are a person with good character and who knows how to value things in their right measures, and you do not go through life as the arrogant and the helpless princess. Number 2, be independent. Let him know that you have a life of your own and that your plans are not on hold until you find Mr. Right. But be aware, independent is not synonymous with self-sufficiency. Cultivate your world so you can share it with each other and you will both get rich learning from each other. Number 3, no critics. Above all, his friends and family, and especially to himself. Even less in public, you will lose his trust and he will also stop being spontaneous with you because he will see you as a castrating figure, and that's not sexy at all. Number 4, be female. Cultivate sensuality. What the fuck? Okay. Sensuality. What the fuck is this? Sensuality. Okay, doesn't matter. Love for your own body and pleasure of being attractive is in your way and not according to the canons that dictate you. Men like women who like themselves. Number 5, no hints. If you have something to say, learn to say it clearly. Be assertive. They do not like hints or that you baffle them by keeping offenses to release them at least unexpected time. Number 6, follow your intuition. That sixth sense is ridiculized by many men, but if your intuition has proved to be good guide in your life, do not allow anyone to calm it down. That inner voice that knows is a gift many men will like to own. Number 7, let your sweetness out. Some women are sweet by nature, but many others today have confused being strong with becoming harsh, and men do not like hardness because they know by experience that is nothing more than a shell that hides vulnerability. Number 8, be genuine. When you relate to him, be yourself, spontaneous, unforeseeable, and without impostures. It is another symptom of self-assurance that is irresistible. Number 9, good conversationalist. Men who like to talk when they are in front of someone who can listen is understanding and intelligent, flexible, curious, and generous. Number 10, beautiful and normal. How many women live complex because they feel flawed when compared to perfect body models and actresses? They think men only care about the physique, and the truth is that they do care, but when it comes to relationship, do not look for inflatable dolls. So guys, thanks for watching this video. These were the 10 feminine attitudes that make men fall in love. So subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video too. And thanks for watching.